I just wanted to do like a 2-week update. What, have it been 2 weeks? It's been, I don't know, it's been about maybe like 2.5 weeks that I had this hair. Yeah, I washed it and conditioned it I think twice. This hair is cool. Like, it's still soft. Even though it's been 2 weeks, it's still soft. I said I was gonna do a Insta video, but to be honest, I just did not feel like recording it while I was doing my hair. Cause you know, like when you gotta record a video while you're doing something, you actually gotta like make sure you look right while you're recording. I just did not feel like doing it because it's gonna take even longer, and I was trying to get it done. Oh, this is a 3-part closure, but I only be using the side part on this side, and I just plucked it like just a little bit. I didn't really get too much. I haven't even worn the other parts. I don't even know where it's at. I don't know, but they have a middle part, and then they have a, and let me tell y'all, on a lot of body wave hair, like after you wash it and condition it, the body wave won't come back. But on this hair, like the wave comes back if you just add like a little bit of like leave-in conditioner to it. The body wave will come back. So I'm like, oh my gosh, it's lit. I don't even never really wear my hair down whenever I get when I get bundles, because like where I work, I put my hair up and I mainly just wear somebody said, why do I wear weave? Because I got nice hair. I mainly just wear weave as a protective style, not necessarily to, you know, look cute or whatever, because like I just really don't be feeling like doing my real hair. That's why I wear weave. Not because I need it or nothing, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, when summer comes, I'm probably going to get like some curly hair, because in the summer I like to wear curly hair. But yeah, this is 20, 16, and 18, and 14 is 3-part closure. But yeah, this hair was on Amella. I mean, this hair is from a hair company called Amella Hair Company. I believe all of this was $90, which is actually cheap for that's actually cheap for bundles and a closure. So yeah, this would be some good hair if you just want like say if you're going to prom or something, or you know, you just need some hair. This would be some good cheap hair to get, and it actually lasts. So yeah, I like it. It's cute or whatever. What was I about to say? Oh yeah, I'm sorry that I didn't do the install video. I was going to, I really was, I promise I was, but I was just like, I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, I'll make sure on my next video that when I get some more hair that I'll actually do an install video. Like, I really promise this time. I know I said I was last time, but I really promise this time. What else was I gonna say? I guess that was all I was gonna say for this video. I just wanted to really like show y'all the hair, show y'all that it's pretty, that it actually, you know, we show how it is. They not all dry, and this hair haven't really shed a lot either. I washed it twice and it haven't really shed a lot. You know, you'll see a hair here and there, you know what I mean, but not like crazy shedding. Like, it haven't shed a lot. And no, when I started, I didn't cut the wefts, and then I just doubled them, so that probably helped too. But yeah, this is good hair. Make sure y'all go check out Amella Hair Company on Amazon. Follow me on Instagram at Danreael _. Add me on Twitter at Danreael. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more hair videos. Comment whatever you want to comment or whatever, and stay tuned for more videos.